In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize drop-down icons in Squarespace. If you want to give your site navigation a more polished and personalized look, changing the drop-down icon is a quick and effective way to do it. This can help your menu better match your brand style and improve the overall appearance of your site header. To begin, open your Squarespace site editor and go to the header area. From there, click on Edit Site Header. This will open the settings panel where you can manage the design and layout options for your header. If you don't immediately see the option, make sure you're hovering over the header section itself, since Squarespace often shows editing controls based on the area you're currently selecting. Once you're inside the header settings, click on Navigation. This is where you'll find the controls related to how your menu appears and behaves. Since drop-down icons are part of your navigation styling, this is the section you need to work in. Next, look for the pencil icon and click it to edit. The pencil icon usually opens more specific customization settings for the selected navigation element. This is an important step because it takes you deeper into the styling options rather than just the general navigation settings. After that, click on Design. In Squarespace, the Design section is where visual adjustments are typically grouped, including things like spacing, typography, and icon styling. If you're trying to change how something looks rather than how it functions, Design is usually the right place to check. Now, click on Icon. This option will bring up the available icon settings for your drop-down menus. Depending on your template or Squarespace version, you may see a set of built-in icon styles that you can choose from. These are designed to work neatly with the platform, so they are usually the easiest and cleanest option. From there, select the icon you want to use. Take a moment to preview how each option looks with your navigation. A subtle icon can create a clean, modern feel, while a more noticeable one can make drop-down menus easier for visitors to spot. Choose the one that best fits your site style and keeps the navigation clear. Once you've made your selection, your drop-down icon should update in the header preview. Before finishing, it's a good idea to quickly review the menu appearance to make sure the new icon looks consistent with the rest of your header design. And that's it. You've successfully customized the drop-down icon in Squarespace.